Hi guys, so let's talk about what literal equations are. We're going to be doing literal equations where you take variables that are, um, there are going to be multiple variables, and you're not just going to solve for a variable and get a number. You're going to solve for a variable, and it's going to be an expression that contains a separate variable. I always like talking about distance as an example, but we're going to start with 6, this one right here. So g equals 6x. So I want to solve for x. Very important, we do the opposite of the multiplication here, and we're going to now divide by 6. G divided by 6 equals x. Doesn't even need to have a number. D equals r times t, or distance equals rate times time. Think about this. If you traveled the rate of 50 miles per hour times 1 hour, 50 miles an hour for 1 hour, you've traveled 50 miles. So this formula does work. But let's see what it actually translates when you're solving it for r. The rate, the miles per hour term that you hear, that's the rate you're traveling. It's really the distance, 60 miles per, that's what the bar means, the fraction bar means per 1 hour. So when you say 50 miles per hour, you're actually going 50 miles if you stayed at that time for the whole hour, and it is a literal equation. R equals T, D over T, and then you can also do it for T. Let's see what happens when you do it for T. You will get T equals divide by R because it's being multiplied to get D divided by R. Number 4, G equals C times A. I want to solve for A, so we're going to divide both sides by C. A equals G over C. We have U equals X minus K. Solve for K. Final answer, you're going to add K to both sides.